Welcome to the Shelterly Hotline Module training videos. Shelterly is an animal and service request tracking program that is used during disasters. Shelterly creates a database of animals, owners, service requests, and dispatch assignments. There are 4 main Shelterly sections or modules: Hotline, Dispatch, Shelter, and Search. The purpose of the Hotline module is to create service requests and to relay the service request information to the dispatcher. To begin, log in using your Shelterly password and select the appropriate incident. Launch the Hotline module. Let's review the components on this page. The most prominent feature on this page is the map. When you first launch the Hotline module, the map will show icons that indicate the status of all the service requests for this incident. Below the map, you will see the definition of each status icon. To the right of the map, you will see 4 options: All, Open, Assigned, and Closed. Clicking here will filter the service requests shown on the map. Above the map, you will see 3 options: Owner Calling, Non-Owner Calling, and First Responder Calling. At the beginning of a call, the hotline operator will choose the option that best represents the type of caller. This will focus the data collection process on information specific to that particular situation. Choosing the correct option allows the service request to be created in the most efficient manner possible. Information for each option is gathered in 3 steps. Step 1, create contacts. Step 2, create animals. And Step 3, create service request. There are sets of mandatory information necessary to progress through each step of the sequence. The first step takes us to the owner information page. This page will allow the hotline operator to record information necessary to complete the Create Contacts step. There are several data entry areas on the Create Contacts page. The hotline operator will gather as much information as time permits. The hotline operator does not have to fill in every box on this page. There are only 4 areas that must be completed in order to progress to the next step in the sequence: first name, last name, phone number, and address or location. The hotline operator will click Next Step when they are ready to proceed to the next page. The second step takes us to the Animal Information page. This page will allow the hotline operator to record information necessary to complete the Create Animals step. There are several data entry areas on the Create Animals page. Again, the hotline operator will gather as much information as time permits. The hotline operator does not have to fill in every box on this page. There is only 1 area that must be completed in order to progress to the next step in the sequence. That item is species. The hotline operator can add another animal to this service request by clicking on Add Another at the bottom of the page. When information for all animals is received, the hotline operator will click Next Step. The final step takes us to the Service Request Information page. This page will allow the hotline operator to record information necessary to complete the Create Service Request step. There are several important data points on this page. the address where the animal is located, or, if the caller is not the owner, the approximate location of the animal, the priority level of the service request. All service requests will automatically default to high. The hotline operator has the ability to select a different status level. The hotline operator will select the highest priority level if the animal is injured, if the animal is in imminent danger, or if the animal is preventing a first responder from completing their duties. Instructions for the field team will include any miscellaneous information provided by the caller that will directly help the evacuation team complete their assignment. This type of information may include the combination to a lock or the location of a hidden key. Below the instructions for field team are 4 toggles, which will also provide useful information to the evacuation team. Once all 3 steps are complete and all mandatory data has been entered, the hotline operator will click Finish and create service request. The hotline operator has now completed their call and a service request has been created. The service request will now be electronically sent to the dispatcher. The dispatcher will use this information to create assignments for the evacuation teams. This completes the overview of the hotline module. In the next video, we will review each page and the data entry points in more detail.